If you're putting powder on your clients before their Brazilian wax, that's fine. It works. But if you haven't tried well instant it powder, here's your time to just try. To use or powder for waxing school use cleans and waxing. And it works, powder works too. But oil is a bane changer. So much with their pee and irritation is the often face it is the hagen back hotter and whirl and so meet there. Look, I was taught that I could not use oil. You can't apply wax over oil. It just has to be the perfect amount. And sometimes I will get too much oil. I'll go to put wax on and it rolls right off of their skin. I know there's too much. I grab a 4x4 and I just blot and it takes off the excess oil and then I can go right back into the waxing. But when I started using oil, my clients are like, what did you do different? I promise you, it is a huge difference. I see a lot of people on these posts and in the comments like, oh, what I live where it's really hot. My clients are really sweaty. I can't use oil. I'm here to tell you I live in southern Utah. It gets up to close to like 120 degrees outside in the summer. Clients come in sweaty. I still have never used powder, ever, in my 14 years. I use oil every single time. I love the Duramax oil. It smells like heaven. My clients love it. There's a ton of oils out there that you can use. So I use this oil pre and post. I've had a few people that approaches my online course that they told me like, I thought you were crazy. And then now I've tried it and I will never use powder again. So you see in my online course in my 17 demos, I use oil on every single one of them. So give it a try. I promise you won't regret it.
Sometimes it grows straight down, but for this example, let's say it's growing inward, okay? What you would do, pretend this is my wax stick here. I would push all the hair to the side and work on one half, as I usually do anyways, but if the hair is excessively long, we would push all this hair down, right? With that pressure, you would get your wax and apply it thinly, right? Holding down that hair, don't let it go. Then you would get your strip, you would press it into the wax, and then you would just remove like normal.